The world is on the verge of a catastrophe, climatic catastrophe. There's never been in the history of mankind that so many countries and so many corporates and so many individuals joined a cause that is not to kill each other, but to save the planet by achieving net zero emissions targets. Unfortunately, they're all failing. If we take all of the technology available today to remove carbon from the atmosphere through direct air capture, we scale it up and we add to that everything in the pipeline. And now we compare it to 2030 targets, you understand we have a problem. And if we benchmark it against 2050 targets, we're in a big problem. And the reason for this is that all these technologies are land-based, when the solution to the problem of greenhouse gas in the atmosphere is actually in water. Water is the world's greatest carbon sink in the world, and it is carbon's natural regulator. 83% of all carbon circulates through water, and 50% of the oxygen we breathe right now was generated in water. What BlueGreen did was to develop a unique, scalable solution to tackle harmful algal blooms, toxic blooms in big water bodies. We treat lakes and oceans. By doing so, we are able to tap to 15 gigatons of potential carbon offsets in fresh water and 97 gigatons of potential carbon offsets in the oceans. We've been doing this since 2019. We're reaching scale like nothing else. And most importantly, through the sale of these super carbon credits, we're able also to rehabilitate entire aquatic systems, reintroduce biodiversity to the lakes and oceans, and equally importantly, support the lives and livelihoods of the people that rely on contaminated water bodies. And I'm going to demonstrate to you one of the activities we're very proud of that we've done in South Africa on the border of Botswana, just to show you what the real impact on the lives of the people really is like.
Situmo Dam was bad before.
Oh, my brother, it was a disaster. When you came here, you'd find dead fish to start with. A lot of dead fish. It would smell rotten, like you didn't even come and chill here because it was not clean.
To enter this water with that chemical, you see my skin here, it used to change. You have to put Vaseline first before you get inside the water. Because once you get inside the water without the Vaseline, the skin, it will change.
The water was stinking. We couldn't even drink the water. So now it's better.
I think it's about 2 to 3 months when these guys, they came with the helicopter, they were spraying. But now you can see now the water is clean and it's fine.
Right now, it's something else. It's much clean, it's much clearer. Even if you can take a look at the water.
And even the chemical, that chemical is disappear. And even now we can fish. And even the smell of that chemical is not there. And now we are fine now, the water is clean, we are happy.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.